Lord Vishnu took the incarnation of Narsimha to kill Hiranyakashyap. There are also 5 to 6 temples of Lord Narsimha in Bikaner, Rajasthan. The oldest of these is the temple located at Lakhotia Chowk.
नरसिंह जी का मंदिर बीकानेर में एकमात्र यही बताया जाता है.
This is said to be the only temple of Lord Narsingh Ji in Bikaner. Apart from this, there was no temple after this. Gradually, the time passed and many more temples of Narsingha Ji were built. But this is the oldest temple.
This temple is more than 500 years old. It is also claimed that this temple is older than the establishment of Bikaner, but there is no evidence of that.
We have heard from our ancestors and we have some documents on the basis of which the construction of the temple was done in 1575.
The inner area of the old Bikaner city in which this temple is situated once used to have a water basin.
Naga sadhus used to worship here. Lord Narsimha used to be worshipped by Naga sadhu, and after that the temple was built by the Lakhotia.
It is said that the place where Lord Narsimha had incarnated on earth was Multan. Multan is now in Pakistan.
We heard that the idol had come from Multan itself. At that time, Naga sadhu used to live here. This idol was presented to them.
It is also said that in Multan, a person wearing the mask of Lord Narsimha had killed the person who became Hiranyakashyap during the Narsimha Leela.
The Mahant who was in this temple was a very ascetic. So somehow this came into his knowledge and he said, "Send it to me."
After that, this mask of Lord Narsimha was brought from Multan to Bikaner and it was installed in the temple after duly worshipping.
Since then, when this mask is given to a drama performer, he gets excited and he can perform for more than the time limit of an hour.
The masks worn by the characters of Lord Narsimha and Hiranyakashyap are made of Ashtadhatu and in other ways in other temples. But the masks kept in this temple are more than 500 years old. This too has came from Multan.
There is no other metal of any kind in it. These masks are made from only clay and paper, etc. The biggest feature is that these masks are light and used in hot weather also. Whoever becomes Hiranyakashipu or Narsingha Ji, they sweat, so these are made of such a substance that keeps and absorbing sweat.
A large number of people gather in Bikaner every year on the day of Narsimha Chaturdashi to see the Narsimha avatar and the slaughter of Hiranyakashyap.
Till date, only the same masks are being used. If you look at these masks, then you will feel that even today they have the same luster as it used to be in the beginning.
A fair also takes place here. This tradition is going on for the last 500 years.
When the fair of Narsimha Ji comes, these masks are taken from the store and repaired a little. After that, masks are used again.
The painting with gold carvings and artwork in the temple really compels you clench your finger in amazement. Naga sadhus established this temple. Gradually, people came forward to give a grand look to the temple. Now the temple is in its full form. Bureau Report, ETV Bharat.
To watch 24/7 News Live, download ETV Bharat app.